Well guys, hope everyone's having a great day. As you can tell, I am out here enjoying this beautiful weather today, fishing, catching some bait. What we have here is a finger mullet. I do have company. He's been down here for quite some time, hanging out this afternoon with me, as I've been catching not a whole lot of bait, but I've been catching something. So it's the, you know, the peace and the wonderful feeling that I get by hanging out here. But I'm going to attempt to feed this bird, this mullet. So you guys, let's wish me luck here and hope that I don't get attacked. It looks like he sees it. He's coming this way. He's not quite sure. Let's just do this another way. I'm gonna throw it to him. Just watch him come up and get it. And just like that.